मैम
Start.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Walaikum Assalam.
यस मैम।
Yes. Wonderful. That's great. Okay, one thing is remarkable that you people are working in a very good manner. Last time जो भी मैंने assignments आपके देखे मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा और this is the first assignment of today's class that is also very good. And further, you all have the option on LMS. I have uploaded your LMS account, uploaded the data, so you may check it. And yes, Sanaullah,
यस मैम।
start sharing. Zabardast. Characters. It's a very good impression, Sanaullah.
थैंक यू मैम।
Okay, make sure these slides, this assignment is made by you.
व्हाट मैम?
ये आप ही ने बनाया है?
यस मैम।
That's great.
थैंक यू मैम। मैम बता दीजिए, मैं आगे
प्लॉट की
करता
आप
हूँ।
मेरे सामने प्लॉट चल रहा है। बिगिनिंग थोड़ा
Yes.
सा एक्सप्लेन कीजिए अपनी।
Yes ma'am. Beginning. Once upon a time, there were living two brothers on the edge of forest. The younger brother was very simple, and the elder brother was dishonest and mean to his younger brother.
Okay, this is the beginning of the plot. Zabardast.
And he used to eat all meal, good food, and he had taken all good clothes.
जबरदस्त कैरी ऑन, आगे चलिए।
Yes ma'am. Rising action. One day, the elder brother went to find the firewood to sell in the market. As he went around chopping the branch of tree after tree, he climbed and he wanted to cut the branches of magic tree. But
Okay.
the magic tree offered him, "Don't cut my branches. Instead of some golden apples." Tree was giving him some golden apples.
Excellent. Carry on.
Climax. The elder brother agreed, but due to some golden apples, he was disappointed. Therefore, he decided to cut the branches of tree, and he was going to cut at that time. The magic tree showered upon the elder brother with hundreds of needles.
Excellent.
Falling action. The younger brother grew worried due to his absence and went in his search of his brother. Finally, he found his elder brother with the hundreds of tiny needles. He removed each needle with pansy and with love.
Zabardast.
Resolution. After he finished, the elder brother apologized for his bad behavior with him and promised he will never do this again.
जबरदस्त। That's great. अच्छा आपने एक्सप्लेन किया।
Yes ma'am. The tree saw that the elder brother changed and therefore he gave him all golden apples.
Okay, जबरदस्त। So this is the
in this story, the conflict is between character vs character. It means the elder brother versus magic tree.
okay, जबरदस्त।
The moral of the story: what you think for others will be with you. Don't think bad for others because you don't know it can be with you.
ठीक है।
Yes ma'am.
जबरदस्त जबरदस्त। अच्छा आपने बेहतरीन बनाया है, आपने बहुत जबरदस्त बनाया है। सबमिटेड थ्रू LMS अकाउंट एज वेल। और स्नैपशॉट्स ले लीजिए एक दो, ठीक है। देन यू शुड सेंड द स्नैपशॉट्स टू मी एंड is this visible? Yeah, of course this slide is visible. Ravi are events of the story, the magical tree. Magical tree. Elements of the story are written below.
First one is setting. The setting of this story is the edge of the forest.
Zabardast.
Second is characters. Elder brother, younger brother, and a magical tree.
Good.
Exposition. Once there lived two brothers on the edge of the forest. The elder one was very greedy and jealous, even with his younger brother, while the younger one was very kind-hearted. Writing action. One day, the elder brother went to the forest for collecting firewood to sell in the market. During the cutting of branches of the trees, he came upon a magical tree. The tree requested him not to cut its branches. The tree said to him, "If you spare me, I will give you my golden apples." He agreed, but was disappointed with the number of golden apples the tree gathered. Climax. Greed overcame him, and he threatened to cut the entire trunk if the tree did not give him more apples.
Good.
Calling action. The magical tree showered upon the elder brother a lot of tiny needles. He lay down on the ground, crying in pain as the sun began to lower down the horizon. The younger brother grew worried and started searching his brother. He found him with a lot of needles of his skin. He rushed to his brother and removed all the needles with pins to him. Resolution. After he finished, the elder brother apologized for treating him badly and promised to be great. The tree saw the change in the elder brother's heart and gave them all the golden apples they could ever eat. Conflict. In this story, the conflict is between character versus character, as the elder brother is greedy and mean, and he always gets jealous with his younger brother, and character versus creature, as he's going to cut the branches of the magical tree for getting more and more golden apples.
Good.
Moral of the story is that greed is a curse.
Good. Excellent. Your means your concept about the elements of a story is very much clear, and you may write your stories as well. इन elements को ध्यान में रख के I hope कि आप सब लोग अब थोड़ा सा attempt कर सकते हैं stories को write करने के लिए. ठीक है, that's good. Now, Rabia, you have to stop sharing. We are moving towards another student.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now this is the turn of Aksa. Aksa, you have the option to unmute yourself and start sharing your screen. Elements of the story.
Yes, ma'am. Setting a story take place on the edge of the forest, and character elder brother and younger brother and a magical tree. And plot of story, a serious event that make up the story. Explosion, there were two